Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Mel's Beauty. I'm Mel. So, if you're wondering what this look is all about, either you might have to wait and see, or the card will be up there. Either I'll post this video before I showed y'all how I got this look, or I'll show you after. I don't know yet. Let's just play around and see. But let me stop playing. So, we have a new video, and I want to introduce y'all to my influencer box. Yes, this is a influencer box, and it's got some weight on it. You might be curious, what is Influencer? Influencer is a free site that sends you products based on your profile in the test, the survey they sent you, and if you get the right answer, they send you a Vogue box. And I have this month's Vogue box, which is called Spark Box, if I'm not mistaken. Spark Box. But anyone can join, any regular person. You review, ask questions. It's probably somewhere on there that that you can use. And if you check out the description at the bottom, I have a direct link to Influencer that you can join. So if you want to join the Influencer, which is, I love Influencer at this point, they have sent me on a couple of events, especially to the original store that's in the Galleria that was closed down, for a whole bunch of influencers to kind of network and get to bring a friend. You got pampered for that day. I mean, I got my face clean and beat. So, influencing a lot of these nice boxes is by different companies. Like, I had a Gold Bond one that had, this Gold Bond in there, which I'm pretty sure y'all have saw this now. But guess what? I got this before it even hit shelves. Yeah, boy. I got to try and review it before it even hits shelves. So, I'm so happy. So, Influencer, yes, it's the place to be. So, go ahead, hit that description box, follow my link, and join. Be an influencer. You don't have to do this. You do different steps, and you can do influencer yourself. So, let's go ahead and open this box. I'm curious what's in this box, because this box got some weight to it. It got some weight to it. And that's the thing about it. You never know what's in the influencer box. Never know. So, haven't seen anybody post any pictures about it. So, let's see what's in this box. Oh, now I see why it was some weight in it. Stuff falling. And yep, Sparkle box. And it has on back here what I have, which is a few things. And it's the first time I ever saw they put the price on it. So let's see. Ooh, head itch. So we have Pure Silk, which is, we got razors, baby. Ooh, so, ooh-wee. It is a 6-blade flexible head. Double flexible heads with 6 blades. Ooh, and they gave us 2 refills. Hey! Well, no, 1 refill. 1 is on there. Okay. I see you. And that retails for $9.99. And it also comes with a shaving club starter kit. Oh, okay. I see this big old bottle. What is this? Living Clean. And who is this? This is coconut milk lotion that retails for $5.99. This is a big bottle, y'all. This is a big bottle of lotion. Now, I showed y'all this lotion. This is my favorite lotion. I mean, I have dry skin, so this helps a lot. Let's see. I want to see how this holds up. And it says, with well-being and nature in mind, Living Clean is a unique line for eco-friendly beauty care products. Okay. And it says, rich in moisture for dry skin. We're going to put this to the test. Have y'all seen this in store? I have never seen this in store. So, okay. Let's set that down. What else is in here? Ooh. We have unnaturally natural fragrance-free makeup remover wipes. Ooh, and I'm about to remove my makeup in a little bit. Ooh, I have to try this. And this is by Whisper. 100% cotton. 100% cotton, girls. She cotton. I'm so glad they got me this. I mean, and it's 25 in here. I ain't gonna have to buy no makeup wipe just for this month, so let's see. Okay, and she $5.99 too. What else we have in here? I see Pantene. I love Pantene for my curly hair, my curly weave. Ooh, I can't wait until y'all see her. And this is Daily Moisture Renew in the Shower Foam Conditioner. Oh, it's conditioner. That foam. That should be very interesting. And this is $6.99. This is gonna be very interesting. My phone is vibrating. What? Is there something else in here? I see something about Country Crock. I always get Country Crock coupons with them. This is, am I missing something? Oh, Country Crock with sunflower oil, which is $3, and me got a coupon for it, so I gotta go get this. And it don't expire until the end of this year too. I gotta go try this bad boy. Ooh wee. So that's all that's in my influencer box. Oh, okay, now I know what this card is for. Oh, it's showing you different recipes to do with the sunflower seed oil. This should be interesting. I wonder how different does it taste from regular Country Crock. That's all in our influence box, but this was a heavy box. I really gotta try this. I just wanted to unbox it with y'all. Ooh, I'm gonna try these later on when I finish recording. I got like one more video. Okay. So, if you're interested in being an influencer, click my subscription. I will have my link that will send you to it where I can refer a friend, and y'all all are friends in my books. So go ahead in the description, click the link, and try influencer for yourself. Why not get free products that you can just review? And these are honest reviews. Most of the reviews, I'm learning that a lot of them go through influencer, so they're not paid review. We're not paid. We're just offer free items to review, so the company will know what's right, what's wrong, what's a yay or a nay. And I think this is the best thing ever. And I think every company that have went through influencer, because it was some hit and miss stuff, but so far I have gotten all the yeses. So don't forget to like and subscribe, comment in the video, tell me what you want, give me feedback. I'm waiting for it. I'm waiting to get engaged with y'all. But also don't forget to hit that little notification bell so you can be notified when I, Mel Beauty, posts another video. So see you later in the next video, beauties. Bye.